Now we're going to take a look at some Windows accessories. First thing we're going to do, we're going to close out this window. We don't need this one anymore. And we're going to open the Paint program. Now earlier I created this Paint icon on my desktop, but in case you chose a different program, I'm going to go back in through All Programs and Accessories. Now these programs all come with Windows and they're pretty handy. They're not very full featured, but they do a lot of things that are very commonly needed. We're going to choose the Paint program, and this assignment we draw an image of a face. The brushes is already highlighted, so I can start drawing right away. Now by no means am I an artist, but anyone can draw a simple smiley face. We're going to save this file now. We can click here and choose to save it as a certain type of file. I'm just going to click Save As, and we're going to save this file to our desktop folder Windows 7 Training, the one that we created in the first part of this assignment. So we'll place it into here, and we're going to name it EXP Win01 CPT Paint, last name, first name. We'll save it right into there. Next, we're going to use that picture and we're going to insert it into a WordPad document. I'm going to open WordPad. It's also in All Programs and Accessories. You can kind of think of WordPad as a mini Microsoft Word. It can do a lot of things, but not quite everything that Word can do. We're going to insert the image into this document. There's an option over here to insert pictures. You could choose to insert a paint drawing as well, because we did create it in Microsoft Word, but you can also insert this as a picture file, which would allow you to insert maybe something from a digital camera. Now we have that picture in our desktop, in our Windows 7 Training folder. There it is. I'm going to select that one and open it. And now, inside my WordPad document, I've inserted this picture. This is really handy if you want to send somebody a screenshot of your screen, for example, and you want to also include a little bit of text. So this way we can create a title for our drawing. We're going to save this file in our Windows 7 Training folder as well, to demonstrate that we know how to use WordPad now as well. And we're going to do a Save As. We're going to put it on our desktop. We're going to place that in our Windows 7 Training folder. We're going to name that one EXP Win01 CPT WordPad, last name, first name. And we'll save that. Next thing, we're going to close out all of these applications. We can just double check that all of our files are there. Now we have our WordPad file, we have our paint picture, and we have that desktop capture that we did in the first assignment.